So what we're going to go ahead and do with the last three questions is instead of completing the square, what we're going to do is we're going to find the discriminant. And we're going to find a discriminant to help us with the next section, which is going to be solving quadratic formulas. So to find the discriminant, well, the first thing that we need to do is make sure that our quadratic equation is equal to 0. So what we need to do here is move over 3 by subtracting 3 from both sides. So b squared plus 4b minus 3 equals 0. So to find the discriminant, we need to have the formula b squared minus 4ac. Now our quadratic equation usually has the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, where a, b, and c are just going to be the numbers in front of our variables, so the coefficients. So let's decide what is our a, what is our b, and what is our c. So our a is a number in front of the b squared, x squared, whatever the variable squared. We have nothing there, so we can assume that there is a 1. The b is going to be the number in front of x, and well, in this case, it's the number in front of b, so it's actually going to be 4. And then finally, the last number, negative 3. So we're going to put this into the formula for the discriminant. 4 squared minus 4 times 1 times negative 3. So 4 squared gives us 16. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. And then negative 4 times negative 3 is positive 12. So 16 plus 12 ends up giving us 28. So the discriminant here is 28. Let's go ahead and move on to the next couple ones. So these are already equal to 0. So what we need to decide is just say what's our A, what's our B, and what's our C. So our A, again, the number in front of x squared is 2. The number in front of x is negative 5. That's our B. And our last number is C. So what we need to do is, again, b squared minus 4ac. So negative 5 squared minus 4 times 2 times 7. Okay? So what we're going to do first is we're going to square negative 5. Now remember that when we're squaring a negative number, it's going to turn positive because this is negative 5 times negative 5. Two negatives give us a positive, so that's positive 25. Then we have negative 4 times 2, which is negative 8, and negative 8 times 7, which is negative 56. So in the end, we have 25 minus 56, which is negative 31, and that's our discriminant. And finally, we're going to look at the last one. So we have to decide again, what's our A, what's our B, and what's our C. So our A is going to be the number in front of x squared, 3. Number in front of x is negative 12, so that's B. And then C is 1. So we're going to do negative 12 squared minus 4 times 3 times 1. So negative 12 squared is going to be positive 144. We're going to have negative 4 times 3, which is negative 12, and negative 12 times 1, which is just 12. So 144 minus 12, which is equal to 132, and that's our discriminant.